How to play on two accounts at once on Roblox Mobile. First, go to Play Store and download a cloning application. Download it. It's already downloaded. And add your Roblox app here. Now open your Roblox app here. Now create or login your another account. Open your game. Now open in pop-up view. Now go to your original app and now play a game. Now you can control two games in one phone. Thank you.
Ket sahur.